Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and saving a quick backup. This prevents accidental loss. Next, click into the heading you want to change or drag select its text so Word knows which style to modify. Once selected, open the Styles pane from Home by clicking the small launcher in the Styles group. This gives you direct access to the heading style properties you'll adjust. Make sure to work on the style, not just the selected text, for consistency. Once the Styles pane is open, right-click the heading style you use, heading 1, heading 2, etc. and choose Modify so changes apply globally. In the Modify dialog, change the font and size. You'll see the live preview in the document. This shows why styles are faster than manual edits. For finer control, click Format, then Font to adjust scale, character spacing, or ligatures. When done, choose whether to apply only to this document or to new documents based on the template. After adjusting, click OK to apply the new size across all paragraphs using that style. This ensures consistency throughout the document. If a heading doesn't update, select it and use clear formatting, then reapply the heading style. Direct overrides block style updates. If changes still fail, open the font dialog for that paragraph to inspect any manual size locks or character spacing, remove overrides, or modify the template as needed. Finally, save your document to preserve the updated style settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.